and our independent auditors, Dolores and Stoosh. I'm Pristine Christine, wishing you a supremely afternoon. We're done? Hi, we're not done? What else? I get to anchor my own show. Yes, of course, I'm ready. Yeah. Where's the script? No script. I don't understand. No script. So where am I supposed to get the script from? Am I supposed to just drag it out of my ass? Hey guys, so I just learned that I finally got my own show, but there's no script. My makeup artist gone. I feel like I don't have anybody to support me. It's like here's my dream, just falling apart. Should I keep going, or should I just pack up my things and go home to my abode? Let me know in the comments, guys. This is down bad. #per. Okay. I'm calm. I'm ready. I think I know what I want the episode to be like. I know what I want it to be like. It has to be about women, you know? #all the women, #her. After all, it's International Women's Month. By the way, who came up with that? Right? Who really got up out of their beds and said, hey guys, today we're gonna celebrate women for the next 30 days. And then after the 30 days, what? Huh? Bet you was some man. Trash. Oh, no. I won't say that on camera when we're recording. Oh, you are recording? Alright, I'll just have to run by Jason and it'll be fine. Jason, the editor, Studio 3. Do you work here? OMG. Excuse me? Who you pussing? Yeah. If you're ready to roll, you call my name. You say, Christine, I'm ready to roll. Did you say that? No. How dare you pussy me? Look, if you know what good for you, you try to flip on the prompter and let us go here before I have to call her and if you come thump you in your back. Pussy? Really? In 2021? Yes, I'm going to talk to you like that because you're out of order. Don't pussy me. You know my name. Every day just a pussy. You're on the road, pussy. You're in a taxi, pussy. Before long the taxi disappear, nobody knows where you are, and it all starts with a pussy. Don't do it. No, when do I feel safe? Huh? Look, I come here to work and go home to my abode. When I'm here, I'd like to feel safe. Can I feel safe here, please? opposite. Like, of course I'm upset. Like, OMG, LOL, FYI, TMI. Yes, I'm upset. And it's these little things that show up this country's dirty panty. Like, I know for a fact that Ronnie got a script when he had to do the All Black History Month special. And everybody know that the senior veteran host not looking at you know unless the prompter up and running. Like, I'm Christine, I've been here for almost a year. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Ooh, poop, stinking poop, dirty poop, stinking poop. Calling Lucky Drawers numbers. And the one time I get to do a real show, I get to do a real show. I have to do everything myself. I have to write the script and I have to carry the whole show on my back. Like, the makeup artist gone, she left. And my face won't touch up. And I feel like I don't have any support from my colleagues. Like, it's 2021. Give me some equity, give me some equality, give me some justice. Give me more. Hashtag purr. And then I don't do it now when you hear say I lose the liquor work. I need some fresh air. This place, I feel claustrophobic. It's International Women's Month. No, cut. We're not doing that. Next thing them say, a copy in Ronnie when he did the All Black History Month special. Go look it up. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We can't do that. Like, every day is something else. Like, the one day I come here to record, the cars are driving through the studio. Like, why are the cars driving through the studio? Where are you going? OMG, TMI, FYI, LOL. Okay, I have it. I'm ready. Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's go and stop arguing. I'm every woman. It's all in me. Brilliance, beauty, boldness, and a big old pot of potentiality. I'm Christine, and this is Denny's What Is, the I'm Every Woman Women's Month special.
I keep expecting to hear that what I heard is not true. If it is, then it is also true that time doesn't exist, really. Only bodies in constant motion, vibrating higher, suspended disbelief.
Hello, my name is Tiffany Thompson. I'm a singer, a cabaret performer, and a recording artist. Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful, and every day of my life is filled with loving you. Loving you is more than just a dream come true, and everything that I do is out of loving you. I've always been very passionate about music. It makes me whole. It completes me. I know that a lot of the things that I've been through and I got through, it was because of music.
Into the moon and the stars will shine over you, lead you to the other side. Sing to the moon and the stars will shine over you. Heaven's gonna turn the tide. Hey there, you looking for a brighter season? Need to lay your burdens down. Hey there, you drowning in your helpless feelings. a deeper ground. It's the sun.